training officer from NSTW Hyderabad.
Right.
Sir, actually, Adobe Spark software, it is a kind of software which is allowing us to make our own web pages, that websites. So now today world has WhatsApp and email ID, which is common for every people. So they are managing their own web, WhatsApp and WhatsApp account, Gmail account. Same way, have their own website. So, but here problem is that they will be charging actually. But as our DGT have a MOU with Adobe, they allowed us in the Adobe Digital Disha program. All DGT institutions, they can have their own free of cost Adobe accounts, by which actually we can create our own website without knowing any such languages like known to design a website. For example, say HTTP, like those things, it is not required actually. Directly with very easy kind of thing, we can make our own website. And now how it is useful to trainers, because trainers, each and every trainer, they can have their own website, so that not only videos here, even their PDFs, like documents kind of thing, and PDF documents or doc format documents, Excel sheets, and even some graphics showing that how machine works, how program it will be inside the compiler, how program actually it is going to execute. If any such kind of graphics are there, they can show, they can just share on that website, and they can show that. And even here their pre-recorded videos, if any kind of thing are there, then they can avail that on the website. And not only that, even if a trainer feels that some good content it is there on reputed websites, like for example, we can say Nimi. On Nimi now, many rockstar trainers, they are presenting their contents. So if they feel that, if any ITA trainer, they feel that yes, this it is the this material, it is like good, useful for our students, then they can now actually they no need to ask to go Nimi website and check the video with this faculty name, that it is very difficult. So what they do, just they connect the link, they connect a link to that particular video in their trainer's website, so that student no need to hustle all these difficulties actually. With a very easiest way, he can go, he can just opening that trainer who shared that website to him with a link, he can just click on that link, he can access all the content straight away without doing any effort to searching. And while searching, students, they may search some wrong content, some unauthenticated contents, so which is not possible here now. And thing it is that, sir, this can be available. Even trainer, he is like off, his mobile is off, or he is offline, but still there's no issue, because all the content, it will be stored on cloud, Adobe Cloud actually. So Adobe is providing us a well spaced cloud, which is actually we can keep all our content over cloud. And so student can access not only at predefined time, at a particular time. Let's say like our online classes now, we need to say that okay, your class will be there from 10 to 11. So if a student failed to attend that due to many reasons, like live streaming or something, so he cannot attend the class back actually. And to attend that, he has to be do lot efforts to go where is there and all. So with Adobe Spark, all these things can be avoided, and teacher can share whatever the content. It can be like a document format, graphical format, video format, or any textual format. No issues are here. He can share everything over website. So this is and now in this session, in this program, the training of trainers program, we are going to teach complete Adobe Spark how to make a website first thing, and how to upload the contents on the website, different contents, video content, image content, graphical contents, texture contents. And second, like how to protect that content. If that content, the content which they have shared, where it is going, they don't know. Like for us, if we share some content on WhatsApp, we don't know how many times it will be forwarded to whom actually. But here we trainer can get record that, he can get every time a notification that how many times that particular content it is forwarded. So if he knows that it is crossed the particular limit, it is crossed somewhere, actually it is going, it is used by some other, then immediately he can stop the thing. Actually he can stop the thing. Sir, actually I'm getting call from Naik sir. Once I want to attend that call, sir. One second, sir. CET Telangana director garu, I'm getting call, sir. Sir, ఇప్పుడే చెప్తున్నాను సార్, నేను మీకు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాను సార్. ఓకే సార్, చెప్తాను. స్టార్ట్ ఇప్పుడు కాలేదు సార్, ఇంకా ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అవుతుంది, మీరు చేయండి సార్. ఇంకా దింగర సార్ లెక్చర్ కాలేదు సార్, ఇంకా నేను మీకు ఇప్పుడు పంపిస్తున్నాను సార్, ఇప్పుడే పంపిస్తున్నాను సార్. ఓకే సార్. Sorry sir, a good thing, Sri KY Nayak sir IAS garu, he is attending the meeting now. I'm forwarding the things. One second sir, sorry. Here after the completion of the program, we ask trainers to develop their own website, and they have to share with us, so that they'll be given particular these things, sir. Okay sir, this is what about the Adobe Spark software, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, now